Yo, what's up you guys? It's your girl Janina Mopola and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me on my Instagram, where the heck is your home tour? Because I moved to this place about 6 months ago and have not done a home tour yet, and it is finally time to do one. Still, you know, there's things I want to change. There's definitely some improvements, but for the most part, I'm happy with it and I'm ready to show you guys my official tour. Now, quick disclaimer. I know that not every 25-year-old has a place like this. I just want to preface that I'm very thankful for my home. I feel very blessed. I'm thankful for my job. So I just want to preface that really quickly. Okay, so come on in, let's get this started. All right, so welcome in. This is mi casa. Mi casa is su casa. And it's a very open concept kind of place. When I first walked into this spot, I saw the lighting. Even though it's June gloom right now in LA, there's no sun right now, which is so depressing. But when the sun is out, it's so bright here and I love it. So it's a very open concept. If you guys can't tell, I love white, I love marble. I want it to be really bright and like inviting when people come on in. So let's just go ahead and start off with the kitchen. So I have a really big island right here, and this island is like the community place. Like I feel like islands are just so inviting because everyone comes around and you just like grab your food and you make drinks, and like I just love it. And I have these bar stools right here. These are from Joss & Main, and pretty much every single morning I sit right here. You know, I drink my coffee, I answer my emails, write my to-do list, read my Bible. So this is like an amazing spot for me. So if you come around, we have the refrigerator. I have this list, running on coffee and Jesus. My boyfriend's family actually got me this little to-do list for my birthday, which I thought was so sweet. You'll see a bunch of things they got me throughout my apartment. Okay, so if you come around, don't mind my stove. I didn't clean it, sorry. But yeah, this is just where the magic happens. This is where I'm trying to get wifed up, is on this stove. But I'm so serious. And then yeah, we have my coffee machine, which this is, I mean, we all love coffee, right? Well, if you guys don't know, I love coffee. Shelby's shaking her head yes. Mm-hmm. Shelby's behind the camera, by the way. But yes.
Coffee fan.
Yeah, big coffee fan. So yeah, I have that, and then I have all my coffee mugs up here. So these are just kind of where I store my coffee mugs. This one's my favorite. My boyfriend gave this to me. Very accurate, except I don't have a cat yet. Okay, so then yeah, we just have the sink, as you guys can see. If you come around the corner, automatic trash can. A lot of times this trash can freaks people out. It could be cleaner, but like, again, who cares? It's a trash can. But this trash can, it's from Simple Human, and the reason why I really like it is because, well, hold on. I can first say open can. Oh, I think I broke it. Open can. So I can either do that or I can just do a sensor. So it's really cool, but sometimes I'm watching TV and it thinks someone says open can on TV and it just goes and people think my place is haunted, which it's not. And then we have up here just this cute little, I guess cute shelves. So I have this for my Longhorns, of course. That's kind of the kitchen. So if you wanna like, you know, look at that one more time, there it is. Okay, so we are in the living room. As you can tell, it's a lot of white. This couch is from IKEA, and pretty much all the pillows are from Target besides these. These two are from Marshalls. The throw blankets are from Target. And then furniture-wise, it's pretty much all Joss & Main. So the table, coffee table, the rug, this tray, the TV stand, this shelf right here, Joss & Main, the lamp by the entryway right there. Also, Joss & Main. This lamp and this side table are also from Joss & Main. People have always been asking me, where is your furniture from? Now you know. We have my awesome TV right here. This is kind of like a Google Cast TV, so a lot of times I will just go on my iPhone or my Spotify and I'll just cast it to my TV and I can play my worship music in the morning or whatever, so that's really nice. And also I hung these above my TV because I felt like this space was super empty and I didn't know what to put up there. And I thought this was the perfect thing to put up there. And then I have this plant here from Target. you'll notice a reoccurring theme in my house. Lots of plants, lots of flowers, lots of like decor, just because I want it to feel lively and like fun and inviting in here. So I think plants really do that. Okay, so my camera deleted all the footage, so here we go, take two. Okay, so last thing we talked about was this plant over here, and next to it I have a basket. I didn't know what to fill this space was, so I thought this basket would be perfect. This just has some extra pillows and blankies for like when you want to cuddle up on the couch. This basket is from Target. And then if you come right here, I have this really cool wooden gold metal shelf. This is from Joss & Main as well. This just has some of my most favorite pieces, like this little Surf California thing, because I started to surf now that I live here. I know, how cliche. And then some of my favorite books. I have some mail, my Bible. I have a candle. I have a photo of me and my boyfriend when he came to Texas for the first time. And then this little surfboard, some tools, and a little succulent. And then, what are these called again, Shelby?
Himalayan salt.
Yes, thank you. A brand gave this to me, so I don't know where you can get this, but you can Google that, I'm sure. Moving along. This is my dining set. So this is from Joss & Main as well. I really like this because it came as a set, so you don't really need to think about it. I already like the chairs with the table. I was like, perfect, this goes great. This is from Target, from the Opal collection. A friend gave me these just the other day. They're so pretty and they really just like brighten my mood. So thank you, Allie. And then these photos right here, I got these last year from Desenio. Again, I've talked about this. I like plants, I like leafy things, so this was just perfect for my little living room. And then the last thing in here that I want to show you is this lamp right here. I felt this corner was a bit dark, so I just brightened up the room with this lamp from Wayfair.com. So that is my entire living room, kitchen area, and now let's move on to the office. Okay, so disregard this. We'll get to that in a second.
I'm zooming.
I was gonna like clean this up and like pretend this wasn't there, but it is there. It's been there since I moved in. This is my like junk pile, donate pile. It came with the place, yeah. When I moved, I was like, this is why I'm moving here. But really, this is like things that I need to return or donate, or I let my friends literally go through these piles and be like, hey, pick whatever you want, or I'll...
Okay.
Here you go, Shelby, you can have this. And so it's not cute, but you know, I'm not gonna pretend that it's not there, okay? But yeah, this space is a little small. I didn't really know what I wanted to do with it, so I turned it into an office, and I'm really happy I did, because this is just like, I love this. This is so me. I love blue. I love ocean. Can you tell? The wallpaper on my iMac is ocean as well. So I love this computer because this is really where I do like heavy editing, heavy graphic designing. When I need like a bigger display, this is where I do that, and I love this computer. So this desk and chair are from Joss & Main, as well as this lamp. All this artwork is from Desenio. If you watch my vlog channel, you saw that. I just have like a little notepad to take, you know, my list down for what I need to do. This is from Target. This plant really fills this space right here too. This is from Wayfair.com. Okay, so moving on, one downfall of my place is there wasn't very much storage, like a big closet I could just shove a bunch of stuff in. So I purchased this for my office from Wayfair as well. Took me like 3 hours to build. It was worth it though. But if you open it, this is what's inside. So it's not the most organized, but it does the job. So this has random books and like files, camera equipment, you know, brooms, lights, everything like that. So anything that I kind of want to like hide out of sight, out of mind, I just throw in here. So it's great. Yeah, if I don't want to see it, like my anxiety, my worries, my stress, just throw it in there and just pretend it's not there. Okay, so that is my office plus the junk pile, which we're gonna still pretend is not there, and then we'll move on to the bathroom. All right, so here is my bathroom, and it's all white, which I love. If you can't tell, I love just the all white look. It has 2 sinks, which I don't really need them, but it just came with it. I think this apartment really was made for like couples, but it's just me, myself, and I. No, I'm just kidding. But it is nice.
You get a cat and they can lay in.
Exactly. That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Get a cat. But it's great because if I do have friends come over, you know, they can make themselves at home and use this sink.
I'm home.
Exactly. Shelby's moving in. And then these are my, everyday skincare products. I mean, I swap these in and out a lot. I have just some plants. Are we surprised? I have this little lamp as well, salt lamp. This is like a night light, so if I wake up in the middle of the night, I need to use the restroom, there's light in here, which is nice. And then Devin's family as well gave me this for my birthday, which I thought was so sweet. It fit right in my apartment, so put that there. And then if you swing around this way, you have the magic pot. Is that what it's called? The John, the Lou, I don't know. Everyone has their own word for it. But there's that. And I got this shelf for it, which is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then you just have like toilet paper in here. Devin's family got me this as well, which I thought was sweet. We have a little candle lit in here, which I realized was lit, and I walked away for like 2 hours and it was still burning. That could have been dangerous. And then we have this, which is honestly essential. Like, I bring this with me whenever I travel. I recommend. Don't forget the Squatty Potty. Yeah, not sponsored, just something I asked for my birthday and I got it, and I'm so happy I did. And then something I really like about this bathroom is my old bathroom, if you saw my old room tour, had zero storage. So we have ample storage. This is not Martha Stewart, hence why it's still disorganized, but
it's okay, your closet makes up for it.
Thank you. But yeah, I have like skincare, hair tools, and then like cleaning supplies, but nothing special, nothing too crazy. And then we have the shower. This is where the best singing is done, or the worst, and the best thoughts come to fruition. So we have my shower. It's marble as well, which I just adore. I got this like I got this shower rack from Simple Human as well. It's super awesome and can fit almost any shower, and it fits everything I need, so that's really, really great. So this is just like my little karaoke room. It's really great. And one thing I didn't show before my other clip got deleted is I have storage here, which again was really important to me. So I got all these baskets from Target. These are not organized really in any orderly fashion, which I probably should do that, but ain't nobody got time for that. So there's that. And then I also let friends go through that. I'm like, please take whatever. And then towels that are not folded. I was gonna fold them before the video, and then I realized, again, ain't nobody got time for that, and this is reality of what it looks like. So those are like extra towels for guests when they come over. So that's my bathroom. All right, on to the bedroom. Okay, so welcome to my sanctuary. This is my bedroom. Again, if you watch my old room tour, this isn't like totally absurd and new to you, but this is what it looks like. So it's kind of nice. I love the wood flooring. Like, I kind of want them to see that. It's so pretty. And the whole bed, I believe, is from Wayfair.com. The actual headboard is from Amazon. The pictures are all from Desenio again. The reason why I have a Hamburg map is because my dad's from Germany and he lived there, so I got that from Desenio. All the bedding, pillows are Target.
How much to your mom? No Guatemala?
I know, come on, Desenio. Yeah, Desenio did not have anything for Guatemala, so I'm sorry, Mom, don't hate me. And then, yeah, the two bedside tables are from Wayfair as well. As you can see, I have a book next to my bed. I always read something before bed, so I always have something, if you can tell, like, I love books, so there's that.
Night routine.
And then some jewelry that I like to take off before bed. So there's that. Okay, so in this corner, this is my I don't know what my life is corner. I literally just throw a bunch of stuff on this. Like, you should have seen this shelf a week ago. Did not look like this, so this is like clean. But I have a candle here. I have my YouTube plaque. Extra jewelry. These have like camera equipment things. It's really not clean at all. Like, if you can tell, it's not organized, and neither is this. But these are extra sunglasses, and that shelf's just, yeah, moving on. I have another plant, of course, from Wayfair. Then this is my makeup desk. This is from Joss & Main as well. These baskets are Bed Bath & Beyond, but this is just kind of where I sit down, do my makeup when I do decide to do it. I don't wear makeup every day, so when I do decide to glow up, then this is where I do that. And then, let's see. Oh, the chair is from Wayfair as well, and this fuzzy thing is from IKEA, and this is also, I believe, from Wayfair. So a lot of Joss & Main Wayfair furniture. This shelf is IKEA. I have a photo of me and my boyfriend, my Amazon Alexa, a plant, and Alexa, stop. She did that last time too. She's creepy.
Alexa, what's up?
Yeah, Alexa, tell us a joke.
Why don't werewolves ever know the time? Because they're not werewolves.
It doesn't.
That was a horrible joke. But yeah, I've had this IKEA shelf since last year and it broke, hence why there's like a huge gap right here, so that kind of blows.
Classic.
I know, IKEA furniture is not built to last, so that's kind of unfortunate. Okay, then we actually do have a real plant here. I got this for my birthday from my manager, so thank you so much to Layla. This one is already dying, so if you have any advice to keep this one alive, please let me know. Okay, up next we have this big teddy bear that my dad sent me for my birthday last year. He told me anytime you miss me, hug this and it'll remind you of me, which I think is the cutest thing. So thanks, Dad, for doing that. And then this is just an extra basket from Target with throw blankets, extra pillows. When people stay over, I grab a pillow for them in there and just, you know, that type of thing. Then this is a shelf that I got from Amazon. But these are like extra pieces that I'm going to haul, or just my favorite pieces that I'm currently wearing. I swap these in and out a lot, and then these have my Fabletics. Link down below. But yeah, these are the pieces I pretty much wear, and I swap these out every month. And I have an ocean photo above it from Desenio as well. And then of course, another plant, which it needs a pot. And also an unpacked suitcase, which I didn't really want to show, but we're gonna show it anyway. I'm really the worst at unpacking my suitcases, so I'm just gonna...
Yeah, you got 5 to 7 business days for that.
Suitcase who? Not there. And I love just like before bed, just like laying down, getting comfy, reading a book. And I love the lighting in here, so I'm really, really thankful for the space, and just, it's so cozy for me, so I'm really, really happy to have this room. Now, this is the last thing. I love the size of this. It's floor to ceiling, so I don't need to buy any extra mirrors. So on the left side, we have long sleeves, jackets, and dresses in the back corner. And all my shoes, of course, I have my cowboy boots. There's nowhere for me to even wear these here, but I had to bring them, so hopefully I can bust those out at some point. But I have my laundry hamper. This is from Marshalls. These are my black shoes on the left side. That shoe rack is from Target. And then, yeah, I definitely need to go through and donate a bunch of this, like, let's be honest, because I probably wear the same, like, 2 jackets over and over. Anyone else do that? Okay, this is my other side. These are my jeans and my short sleeve tops. I love to color coordinate, in case you can't tell. And then I have 3 shoe racks in here. These are all my comfy casual shoes, and then heels and wedges are on the right. I actually have, like, a little footstool in here, because sometimes I'd like need to reach up above, and I'm like, oh, perfect, now I can grab my bag. So up here we have swimsuits, bags, travel things, and like extra travel accessories. So there's that, and then of course, like, I got all black felt coat hangers from like Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I really like the way they all look together, but I will say they break really easily, so that's frustrating. But that is my closet. Okay guys, so you've seen my living room, you've seen my kitchen, you've seen my bathroom where I sing and do my thoughts. You've seen it all. So thank you guys so much for watching my home tour. I will have pretty much everything listed down below for you guys, because I feel like there's gonna be questions as to where everything is from. So I'll try my best to have that listed down below. But I appreciate you guys watching this. I'm very thankful for all my blessings. Thankful that I get to live in a home like this. You can check out my Instagram down below. It's Janine Amapola, and my vlog channel is Janine TV. And I will see you guys. It's my sister. But I will see you guys next week. Bye.